Production. The important step. And here is an example of how to bypass this final step. In these cases, you can choose any easy app or game that you can download or install and then follow the instructions of the game. For example, I choose to download Travel Town game and complete level 9. Follow the instruction of this game. After completing this game, you need to download the last one app or game. Now I choose Coin Master game and complete Village 3 of the game. Follow every game instruction that you choose. Now you are almost done. Just close the game and go back to check your result as well.